Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com. Here to show you the base roof rack system for the Hyundai Venue with a bare roof. So this Venue has a completely bare roof as opposed to other models that may have raised side rails. So the roof rack system is a multi-purpose roof rack system. This is the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. It comprises of three components. So you have the Evo Clamp foot pack. You've got the WingBar Evo load bars here in silver, also available in black. And then you have the vehicle specific fit kit. And that's what makes this rack system fit this vehicle perfectly. So the vehicle specific fit kit will include the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. So these door frame brackets will grip into the door frame. Underneath this cover, you have the fastener, which is tightened with the included torque indicating tool. So as it gets fully tight, it'll click. That way you know it's not over or under tightened. So very protective, very strong grip to the vehicle. So this cover out of the box has a plastic plug. You can engage that plug to prevent the cap from coming off. However, it is possible to replace that plastic plug with a Thule lock cylinder to get a higher level of theft deterrent. These Thule lock cylinders are sold separately in matched sets. So this base roof rack system is an excellent choice for people that are looking for a way to carry extra gear on their Hyundai Venue. So there's a wide assortment of accessories that can be added from Thule to carry bicycles, to carry kayaks and paddle boards, rooftop luggage carriers, and other accessories for skis and more. So the instructions that are included with the fitting kit will indicate the exact position of all the various components and also determine the overall weight capacity. In this case, this Hyundai Venue based roof rack system can accommodate 165 pounds. It also tells you the exact positioning on the vehicle. So this is your guide. If there's any issues as you're installing this from the instructions that are included, be sure to click on the link in our product description where we go over a complete installation from start to finish so that that can supplement any printed out instructions that are included. In addition, if you're ready to purchase this product, be sure to click the link in the product description. That'll take you straight to rackattack.com where you can make a quick purchase of this system pre-configured. So those are all the basics of this rack system for the 2020 on Hyundai Venue. I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and thanks for watching.